Hey guys, today I'm taking a look at the Elehear Beyond Pro hearing aids. Let's open up the box and see how they work. Here they are themselves in this nice carrying case. Got some instructions, user guide, and then in these boxes here we have the USB-C cable to charge it, as well as wax guards and ear domes. So just some extra accessories in here. And so yeah, let's go test this out and see how it works. Are you ready to hear the world as it was meant to sound? Introducing the Elehear Beyond Pros, an advanced over-the-counter hearing aid that combines cutting-edge AI with studio-quality sound. With no prescriptions and no hassle, just pure immersive hearing. The Beyond Pro is Elehear's most sophisticated hearing solution yet. Powered by VOCCLEAR 2.0, it can deliver up to 30% better speech clarity, enhanced AI noise reduction, and ultra-low latency at just 8 milliseconds. So whether you're in a noisy cafe or a quiet room, you'll hear voices clearly and without distortion or delay. If you love music, you'll appreciate the new music mode. It preserves vocal richness and high-frequency detail, making your favorite songs sound full and vibrant. So no more tinny highs or muffled tones, just clean and dynamic audio. You can also control everything from your phone with the Elehear app. You can adjust the volume, mask tinnitus, and personalize your hearing experience. Plus, you can enjoy Bluetooth 5.3 streaming for calls, music, and more. It's seamless, intuitive, and designed for everyday life. The Beyond Pro is sleek, lightweight, and fully rechargeable. You'll get up to 20 hours of use on a single charge, while the charging case offers 4 extra charges, so you're always powered up and ready to go. All this for just $5.99. That's premium hearing technology at a fraction of the cost of traditional hearing aids. Plus you get free shipping, a 45-day risk-free trial, and a 1-year warranty. And so yeah, definitely check out the Elehear Beyond Pro hearing aids today and rediscover the joy of sound. And you can also check them out in the link below. See you.